Just a super quick video here in Ljubljana. I just wanted to say about getting the local buses. This was something that I looked up and I wasn't really sure about, so I just thought I'd make a quick video. So it's super easy to use the local buses. Google Maps showed me exactly which bus to get and from where, and then when you go down to the bus stop, at the edge of them, they've got each bus stop, whether there might be more than one shelter, but it will say which numbers that shelter goes to, and a lot of them also have a live board telling you which bus heading which way and what time it's coming, and you just tap on and tap off. So you can use a card that you can buy here that costs €3, I think it was, and then you can, put money on it. So that way, each time you tap on the €150 tap on fee, that lasts for 90 minutes, so you can use more than one bus or train or whatever that you want to use in that time. But otherwise, you can just tap on and tap off with a Visa or Mastercard, any credit card, debit card, and it's just the €1.50 fee each time you tap on. So super easy. I really was unsure. I'd Googled and it did say that's what you could do, that you could tap on and off. But I was unsure because I had taken the bus to Lake Bled. So these longer buses, you had to pay in cash, either at the ticket office or with the driver on the bus. So I was a little bit worried that I was going to turn up and not be able to get on the bus. But yeah, it was just that simple. So I thought I'd do a quick video and let everyone know that's how you use the local buses here in Ljubljana, Slovenia. So also I am traveling around Europe at the moment. We'll be putting up lots of videos of my travels. So far I've been to Germany, Italy, Austria, now in Slovenia. We'll be traveling down to Croatia and lots of other places. So do like and subscribe if you want to follow my travels for lots more tips and tricks. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.